Morning, students. Today we will say the nature of the roots. How this will be used. Nature of the roots. You know, discriminant determines the nature of the roots. And what is discriminant? Discriminant is the expression under square root of the quadratic roots. Okay, square roots of the quadratic roots. So discriminant equal to that b square minus 4ac. This is the discriminant, because that there are two roots, alpha equal to minus b plus under root d upon 2a, and beta is minus b minus under root d upon 2a. So this is the discriminant, and this is where under the square root, and under the square root of what? The quadratic roots. So that is called discriminant. Now, what are the nature of the roots and how this will be used? So nature of the roots, so if d is greater than 0, when d value of d comes greater than 0, then that there is real and unequal roots. Real and unequal roots. And if d is greater than 0, real and unequal roots, but if d is it is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. Then what will be? It will remain in the form of irrational. So when it will remain in the form of irrational, then what will be? There will be real and unequal irrationals. And when the d will be perfect square number, then it will be real and unequal, but that will be rational means rational number. Next, if d is equal to 0, means value of d comes equal to 0, then what will be? There will be real and equal roots. When d is less than 0, then what will be? There is no roots, and that is called imaginary. We say the roots imaginary. The roots are imaginary. So these three, 1, 2, 3, these three are the nature of the roots. Okay, and nature of the roots means that is, in other words, we can say types of the roots. So how this will be used? So let's see the example. Find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 2 into under root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation, and it is asking find the nature of the roots. In this question it is asking find the nature of the roots. Means after finding the nature of the roots, then we can say how the roots behaving, okay, in this quadratic equation. So for finding nature of the roots, first of all we will note down a, b and c. So a, that a is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 3. b is coefficient of x, and that is minus 2 into under root 6, and c is constant term, and that is 2. After that we will find discriminant, and that discriminant is b square minus 4ac, and this b, a and c we have already here, so we will put b is minus 2 under root 6 whole square minus 4 into 3 into c is 2. See, 2 2s are 4 and 4 6 are, it is 24 minus 4 3 are 12 and 12 2s are 24. 24 minus 24, it is 0. So you can see value of d came 0. Value of d is 0. Then what type of nature? Then the nature is, if the value of d is 0, since the value of d is 0, therefore the given quadratic equation has real and equal roots. Real and equal roots. And how it is real and equal roots? You know that alpha is minus b plus under root d upon 2a. So, and beta is minus b minus under root d upon 2a minus b, and d is 0. So d is 0, then what will be? Plus d is 0 by 2a, and after all minus b upon 2a. And here also same thing, when you put value of d here, then you are getting 0 whole, then again here remaining minus b upon 2a. So minus b upon 2a, minus b upon 2a, alpha and beta both are equal. So that's why if the discriminant is 0, then what will be? The given quadratic equation has real and equal roots. So this is the nature of the roots. Okay. See the another example. Find the values of p for which the quadratic equation 4x square plus px plus 3 equal to 0 has real and equal roots. So this quadratic equation has already real and equal roots. Then what will be? The discriminant will be 0. So the equation is 4x square plus px plus 3 equal to 0. So note down, a is 4, b is p, and c is 3. Therefore, what will be? D equal to b square minus 4ac. Then b is p square minus 4 into value of a is 4 and c is 3. Then what will be? P square, 4 4 is 16, 3 is 48. D is p square minus 48. Since the given equation has real and equal roots, therefore the discriminant must be 0. Therefore d is equal to 0, and d is p square minus 48 equal to 0. P square equal to 48, p equal to under root plus minus 48. Then what will be? 16 3 is 48, then plus minus 4 under root 4 into under root 3. So this is the value of p, minus 4 under root 3 and plus 4 under root 3. These two are the values of p, and for this value the given quadratic equation has real and equal roots. Therefore, for p equal to minus 4 into under root 3 and 4 into under root 3, the given equation has real and equal roots. Real and equal roots. So now you understand, means how do we use the nature of the roots and how it behave in the quadratic equations. Okay.